afternoon, friend of A Taste of Spain. My name is Helena, and together with Lola and Armando, Natalia and Armando Jr., we run a family farm located in the south of Spain. Our ecosystem is called the Dehesa, and here you can see holm oaks and cork trees, which are the typical trees in the Dehesa. And we are surrounded now by over 100% Iberian pigs. Now that the Montanera has arrived, that's a beautiful word. The Montanera is the period of time when pigs are just eating acorns. They spend the whole day looking for the best acorns. One part of our job right now, it is to be with them and make sure that they have access to the best acorns at all the moments. So we hope you're doing fine and you're able to enjoy this autumn the same way we do here. Hope to see you soon. Bye!